Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Imoro and I'm going to share with you my journey on how to make money online. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. So I made this channel to be sharing with you guys how to make money online. And it's been a while that I made a video. I just decided today to make a video. I just decided to make a video today. So if you watch to the end, I have a surprise for you. So let's go into the video. So today the video is about how to make money online, the mindset. So the mindset about how to make money online. So if you want to make money online, you must be willing to give something in return to get money online. So in return to make money online, what I mean is that you might be willing to do some work. So assuming you want to do affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is, if you don't know affiliate marketing is selling someone products. Selling someone product. So assuming you are able to sell the product and you get a commission. I hope you are getting me. So that's basic of affiliate marketing. So if you sell the product, you'll be able to make some money online. So that means you have to find someone who has a problem and then you offer them the solution. So if you don't know how to do affiliate marketing, that means you have to learn. So if you are willing to learn, then you'll be able to make money online. So making money online doesn't come easy. So if you see how to make money online, you want to rush and make a quick money, it doesn't work like that. You have to be willing to put in some work. You understand? You have to be willing to put in some work before you can make money online. Maybe like you must be willing to maybe like do whatever it takes to do it. So if you make your mind that you will do whatever it takes to make that money online, you succeed. But if you want to make it quick, like get rich quick, it doesn't work like that. There's no get rich quick scheme online. You must be willing to put in work. In return, then you will make money. I hope you are getting me. So making money online doesn't come easy. You must be willing to do some work. In return, then you will get money, or you get to make the money. So maybe like there are so many ways to make money online, and you can't do that all of them at once. You must choose one. So assuming you want to do affiliate marketing, maybe drop shipping, e-commerce stores, or maybe sell your own products, or maybe so many things that you can do, but you can't do all at once. You might choose one. So maybe if you choose one, all of them might follow. Or maybe if you choose one and then after you get to make some money with it, then you can scale up. As I said in the beginning of this video, the surprise that I have to share for you today is, if you care to learn, be it affiliate marketing, drop shipping, or maybe how to start your own product online, there's a website that you can learn all this, and it's basically almost free, because when it comes to affiliate marketing, some people sell their courses about $1,000 or maybe $500 or maybe more than that. So if it's almost like $10 or maybe $15. Sometimes it varies. So maybe you can buy 3 courses. You'll get each at like $9 or maybe $8. I don't remember the price, but it's almost to nothing compared to how much some other people sell their courses. So I'll leave the link in the description below, or you can go to www.linda.com or maybe udemy.com or maybe skillshare.com. All these 3 sites you can go and then learn almost for free, because you pay a fee, but the fee is almost to nothing compared to how much some people sell their courses. So if you get any value out of the video, don't forget to click the like button, and also if you are new here, consider subscribing. Thanks so much for watching and have a nice day.